What?
Jesus Christ.
Did you just get hit?
Jesus
Did you just get hit with debris?
Christ.
Did you just get hit with debris?
There are giant trees down on the interstate. Everywhere.
Oh, yep. Oh shit, actually that's for the second tornado. That wasn't even the strong one.
Wow, I see it. I see the tornado. I see the tornado. I see the tornado. It's a big cone.
Is it getting bigger or smaller?
It's a big cone. Off to my west. I'm pretty sure.
That's east. You mean east?
Yeah, east. Oh my god, that thing's huge! Dude, it's huge! It's huge! Massive tornado over there. Alright, it might have lifted. Jesus Christ. This was a wide tornado. Wow. This is insane. Just damage all over the interstate. Branches down. Wow. There it is. Tornado over there. Alright. We need to go. Yeah, it's lifted. Rotation has gotten very broad, and yeah, I'd say it's lifted. That's very good that it is lifted. This is an extremely populated area, densely populated area, and just don't need this going through here, to be quite honest. Wow. Insane.